Streamlined app programming. By connecting the automatic cat feeder to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can adjust the feeding schedule and give your dogs and cats extra snacks at any time or place. 10 meals a day, ranging from 1 to 50 servings, 1/10 cup every portion. Rapid alarm notification. Every time the food runs out or is blocked, receive notifications that will give you peace of mind. You will receive notifications in the event of an offline feeder or Wi-Fi interruption, so you may take the necessary action. Battery backup or external power. The Petory pet feeder can run solely on a backup battery or external power. We recommend an automatic feeder with a battery backup that can continue to dispense even if the power goes out or an interruption. Long-lasting feeding. This food dispenser can store up to 16.9 cups of dry food, under 0.7 inches diameter kibbles, freeze-dried grains, which can last to feed cats and small dogs for 20 days. Desiccant bag can keep food fresh. Easy to clean. Counterclockwise rotate the hopper to separate the hopper from the base. The hopper and bowl are dishwasher safe. Made of BPA-free plastic and stainless steel, is healthy for pets. Replaceable food rotor. Petory F01 contains 10G food rotor. One serving is about 1/10 cup. If the amount per rotation is too much for your pet, you can buy a 5G rotor, B0BZNTGNNS, for replacement.